Sir, what is the name of the tool which this operator is using to join the two wires?
Harish, I like your curiosity and your interest in the job. This tool is called a soldering iron and it is one of the power tools. It is used for joining two pieces of metals. Jatin, can you tell me how it works?
Like a drill machine, a soldering iron too is powered by electricity. But I don't know how it works.
Let me explain it to you in detail.
A soldering iron is a tool with a metal tip that gets really hot. It can go as high as 800 degrees Fahrenheit, though this can be adjusted on a good iron. Let me demonstrate its use.
Let us learn the steps in using the soldering iron. Step 1. First and foremost, before using this tool, it is very important to keep safety in mind.
Wear loose clothing. Keep your hair out of the way. Wash your hands thoroughly after handling it.
Harish, can you tell me the reason for following these safety procedures while using a soldering iron?
It is because the high temperature of the soldering iron can burn our fingers and can also be harmful to the eyes.
Absolutely right. Now, let's look at the step-by-step procedure to use the soldering iron.
Keep the tip of the soldering iron free from any old solder. This can be done by tapping the soldering iron gently. Ensure that the tip is nice and clean. Tin the tip by carefully applying a small amount of fresh solder and coat the tip. This will protect the tip and allow the heat to conduct better via the presence of the new solder. Hold the iron in your dominant hand and a long piece of solder in the other hand. Hold it there for a second. Then slide the solder underneath the tip of the iron, sandwiching it to the PCB. Hold it for another second or two, feeding in the amount of solder that you need. Pull the solder away first and continue holding the iron for another second. This will allow the solder to continue to melt and pool, forming a good joint.